Hello, my name's Gareth and I am the Technical Manager for BG Sync EV. In today's video, we're going to be going through the brand new Wall Charger 2 7.4 kilowatt charger that has all the same accessories as our tethered unit as well. One of the first things we get inside the box is the Quick Start Guide. An eco-friendly single page with all the QR codes you need. The first one takes you to the mobile-friendly instruction manual. The second QR code, well, that takes you to the installer app, how to set these chargers up. And then the last one, and on the back, gives you all the information you need for monitor and commissioning the charger for the end user to use. The next thing out the box is the fixings template. This comes pre-drilled and pre-marked, so all you got to do is line it up against the wall and drill the holes out, perfect for mounting the charger. The next part out the box is the anthracite grey front cover. Well wrapped up, and this is your base cover for all the chargers. If you do want different colours, we have more available, like these ones here. All the options are available on our website, so just take a look down there and you'll be able to see what else we have on offer. Once you remove the front cover, the next thing to do is remove the eco-friendly packaging, and that gets you access to the Wall Charger 2 itself. Now this is a socketed variant, and our tethered variant, which is in this box here, comes with a 7.5 metre lead as standard. The last thing in the box are these two accessory bags. So let's get these opened up and see what you get inside. Within the first accessory pack, you get 5 sealing washers, 4 that you need to mount the charger to, including a spare one. You also get the 25mm stuffing gland for your bottom entry and a 25mm blind grommet for rear entry cables as well. Next up, we have the screw for holding the front cover on, and we also give you a spare one as well. Next on the list is the cable cord grip. Not only do you get that, you get an extra 3 screws to hold that in place, just in case you need it. Next comes to mounting the mid cover to the base plate. You get the anti-tamper security bit and the additional screws you'll need to screw the front cover to it. And then within the next accessory pack, you have the installation connector block, your CT clamp connection, and then included is the CT clamp. This comes as standard with all 7.4 kilowatt chargers. However, for 3-phase chargers, you'll need 3 of these purchased separately. So that concludes everything inside the box of the Wall Charger 2. If you need more information, just go straight to our website at syncev.co.uk, including all the other products we've got from the 22 kilowatt and the tethered as well. And then the next video, we're going to be installing it.